Garageworks, located in Nashville, Tennessee, has been providing honest, quality service at affordable prices in all the surrounding areas since 2004. Our trained and experienced staff are here to help you with all your garage door needs. From installations to repairs, Garageworks offers free estimates and same-day service 24/7. Our professional technicians specialize in all things garage doors, including garage door openers, springs, remotes, keypads, and much, much more. Garageworks will provide you with all the right options and work with you to help you find the best solution for your family and your family's budget. So please give us a call today for your free estimate, or look us up on the web at garageworkstn.com. Mention this promo code and receive $50 off your next installation or $20 off your next service call. That's Garage Doors and More by Garageworks.